Today we're going to learn how to use shrink wrap to package your loose end items. To start off, you're going to need a couple of the shrink wrap bags. They come in various sizes, so make sure you buy one that's slightly bigger than the items that you need to package. You'll also need to get a heat gun. This is the one I use, it's pretty cheap on Amazon, and your trusty old scissors. To start off, you're going to put your kits together and place them straight into the bag. I like to make sure that everything is pretty flat, and then if I have multiple kits going out, I will put all of them in bags first before I pick up my heat gun to seal everything together. And now you'll see that this bag is a little bit bigger than my kit that's going out, so I'm going to cut a bit of it off. That way I don't have to shrink the unnecessary piece. So once you get that cut off, you'll go ahead and fold the open end down and hold that piece just in the middle, and then you'll turn your heat gun on to start the heating process. It's also nice to give that heat gun a couple seconds to heat up, then the process will be a little bit faster. And then you'll want to make sure that you're moving your heat gun around pretty frequently, that way one area doesn't burn or break. So we'll try that again. We're going to fold that open end down, and then we'll go ahead and use the heat gun to shrink everything around it. We'll also make sure that we're consistently moving that heat gun around so that no one area is getting too much heat all at one time. Once you get the front end to be pretty tight, we'll flip it over to the other side so that we could get a good seal on the back as well. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any questions regarding this or anything else laser related, let me know in the comments below.